Here's how to add Microsoft Teams to Outlook. So it's really easy and simple. What you have to do is go to Outlook first. When you go over here, you can just check whether if you have Teams on your Outlook or not. Like I already have Teams on my Outlook, so I'm just gonna turn it off and go to Teams. So wait till it loads up. So it'll load it up. So what you have to do is go to like your account and go to manage account. When you go over here, click on top on general. Just go over here, and as you guys can see, it says register Teams as the chat app for Office. Just tick mark on it and restart the Office applications, also Teams. But like I already have Teams on my Outlook, so I'm just gonna leave it just like that, and I'm gonna close it. And yeah, you will have Teams on your Outlook by doing this method. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.